Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow everyone to add you to groups on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. If you've ever had trouble finding this option on your PC, don't worry, it's super simple once you know where to look. So let's dive right in and get it done. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by going to the WhatsApp web page on your browser and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once it loads, you'll see your chats appear just like they do on your phone. Now, look towards the left side of the screen. At the bottom of the left side menu, you'll find a small gear icon. That's your settings button. Click on it and a new window will pop up with different options for customizing how WhatsApp works on your computer. Next, click on privacy. This section controls everything related to who can see your information and interact with you. Under privacy, scroll down until you see the groups option. This setting determines who is allowed to add you to group chats. When you click on groups, you'll find a few choices like my contacts accept, and everyone. To make sure anyone can add you to group chats, choose everyone. Once you've selected that option, WhatsApp will save your choice automatically. You don't need to hit any confirmation button, it's done instantly. And that's it. You've successfully allowed everyone to add you to groups on WhatsApp Web. This update makes managing your group settings quick and easy, all without needing to open the app on your phone. If you ever want to change it back, simply follow the same steps and pick a different setting to control who can invite you. It's always good to check your privacy settings from time to time to make sure they fit how you want to use WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.